Now children, solved example given on page number 76. Children, these examples are based on the formula circumference is equal to pi d or circumference is equal to 2 pi r. So we will see what is given in the example and accordingly we will use the formula. Also, value of pi we have seen it is either 3.14 or 22 upon 7. But if the value of pi is not given in the example, we will take it as 22 upon 7. So now let us go through the example. The diameter of a circle is 14 centimeter. Find its circumference. So first write the given part. Diameter is equal to 14 centimeter. Now here we will use the formula circumference equal to pi d. As diameter is given, we will take this formula. Now put the value of pi and d, that is 22 upon 7 and diameter is 14. Now do the cancellation. Here 7 ones are 7 and 7 twos are 14. So you will get 2 in the numerator. Multiply it with 22, you will get 44. Hence, circumference of a circle is 44 centimeter. Now if you look at the formula, there are only two unknown quantities, that is circumference and diameter. If any one among these two are given, you can find the other one. Now next example. The radius of a circle is 35 centimeter. Find its circumference. So children, which formula you will use here? As radius is given, we will use the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now again in this formula, two unknown quantities are there, circumference and radius, out of which radius is given. So you can find the value of circumference. So children, first we will write the given part. Radius of a circle is 35 centimeter. Now we will put the value of radius in the formula circumference is equal to 2 pi r. Now here 2 will remain as it is. Value of pi is 22 upon 7. Radius is 35. Now do the cancellation. Here 7 ones are and 7 fives are 35. So you will get 2 multiplied by 22 multiplied by 5, that is 220 centimeter. Hence, circumference of the circle is 220 centimeter. Now third example. The circumference of a circle is 198 centimeter. Find its radius and diameter. Now children, in this example you have to find both radius and diameter. So children, we will use the formula. First, circumference is equal to 2 pi r. First write the given part, that is circumference is equal to 198 centimeter. Then write the formula c is equal to 2 pi r. Now in this formula you know the circumference, so you can find the radius. After putting the values, you will get the next step as 198 is equal to 2 multiplied by 22 upon 7 multiplied by r. Now as you have to find the value of r, we will take these two numbers on the other side of the equal to. So you will write here as r is equal to 198. As this 2 is in the numerator, on the other side it will come in denominator, and 22 upon 7 on the other side will become 7 upon 22. Now children, you have to do the cancellation. Here if you see, here 198 can be cancelled with 22. Here you will do 22, 9s are 198. Here now 9 sevens are 63, divided by 2 will give you 31.5 centimeter. Hence you will get the radius of the circle as 31.5 centimeter. Now we will find the diameter. We know that diameter is double the radius. That is, we will multiply the radius by 2 to get the diameter of the circle. So here diameter will be 63 centimeter.